My name is Chris Ramirez. I'm really excited about where the industry is going from a software and a hardware perspective to really enable new engineering workflows. The whole point is to take something that's a precious resource, which are your engineers, and allow them to do more in the time that they have. Simulation is one of those areas that traditionally it's been the design engineer throws it over the wall to the simulation expert, and the simulation expert then throws it back after they look at it and says, make these changes here, the changes are made, and you go back and forth, back and forth. That takes a lot of time. How do we allow the design engineer to actually take part in some of the simulation upfront work so that when they first hand off the model to the simulation expert, it's already 90% there? We feel like the democratization of simulation is something that's critical to the future of the engineering workflow. And this is, how do I have my design engineer take part in the simulation process? Not replacing the simulation engineer, but how do they get the design to be that much better before they ever hand it off? The real-time engineering simulation that is out there right now is Ansys Discovery Live. What I'm showing here is actually in the design phase, so you're not having to go off and send it off to your simulation expert. So you can take your design, make a change in real time inside of NX, export it out to Ansys Discovery Live, and actually see what the change is going to be through whether it's fluid dynamics or really any of the other multi-physics models that ADL supports. So you're able to go through multiple design iterations as the designer without taking up the simulation expert's time and really focusing on the design tool rather than utilizing it as a verification tool. So you're still going to need the full simulation workup, whatever your tool happens to be, at the end of your design, but this is kind of an interstitial democratization of simulation.